Hey, what up squad, it's your boy K-Flow, and this is another camping vlog. Let's get this thing started. So we're here at Spruce Run again, guys. Our favorite glamping spot. And this time we're camping out with Rosine's friends. So we're waiting for them. They're gonna be here in a few hours. But in the meantime, we've set up camp and we're setting up a snack too. So I'll give you a quick tour of the snack and then a quick tour of the camp. Look at that, guys. What do you got here? Rosine, you want to give a tour?
Philippine dried mangoes. Grahams.
Graham crackers.
Graham crackers. Baby! Graham, that's how you pronounce it in the Philippines.
Oh, yeah?
Grahams.
Yeah.
All these watermelon seeds. That's, what is this?
Chocolate
mint.
Poppies.
And this, yeah.
And we got some.
Just a cracker. It says.
Oh, some pita chips.
Pita chips, yeah.
Nice. Cheers, everybody. Quick tour of the campsite, guys. Picnic bench. Set up the kitchen right here. So at least the person cooking can hang out with everybody here. Oh, the trash cooler, all that good stuff. Fire pit. The camper's right there. We got the lights again, so that should be nice this evening. Sunset, I believe, is at 7:30. We got the tent. I believe one of Rosine's friends is going to be staying inside this wonderful pop-up tent. And if you guys have seen these vlogs, you know how quick and easy these things are to pop up and set up. That's why I love having these things. That's pretty much it, guys. Lakeside view. Gonna be an awesome time this evening. Look, guys, she's raving. Alright, go ahead.
I hung up them over the camera.
So it's like...
Oh, there you go.
Oh, I have to make it like really short.
So just...
Or I could do it like this.
Ayun pala eh. I'll try to turn. I can turn. I can turn.
Oh, look at that.
Ano ka?
Look at all the meats, guys. Hey guys, second day now, making coffee, and everybody's just starting to roll out of their tents. I think Belle's using my tent. It's a really nice setup where the screen opens right to the lake. So it was a really nice morning to wake up to.
The vlog. Morning.
So that's torta right there, which is basically eggplant with eggs and some spices. What spices did you put in here, Tara?
Just salt, pepper, I put a little bit of string beans and onions.
Hey, you got, what is this, green onions? No, that's string beans.
Yeah, string beans.
Yeah, it almost looks like green onions there.
And we have tocino.
Alright guys, so everybody else is preparing breakfast and we're gonna go for a quick run. You wanna do 5K or 2 miles? 2 miles. So we'll do 2 miles around the lake. Should be fairly quick. I'll be back in like 20 minutes. So let's do this, guys. Alrighty, I think we're about 1.25 miles. Gorgeous day, not too hot, and yeah, breakfast should be finished by the time we get back. Oh yeah, it's a good run, guys. Nice mid-morning jog, really. Finished 2 miles, about 20 something minutes, I think 22 minutes. And Nathan is still chopping wood over there. So definitely ready for breakfast at this point.
Very appetizing.
Thank you, Lord, for this food.
Thank you so much.
Oh, that looks good, guys. Courtesy of Chef Tara there.
Your teddy bear.
She's a teddy bear for the weekend.
Good. You were lucky last night. Wait for the teddy bear. I don't even have a question.
I'll be a dog.
Really?
Yeah. I'll be Airbud.
Cheers, everybody. These guys are ready for some water sports, guys.
But I parked the submarine over there.
Yeah, we got a submarine right next to that boat over there.
They're just borrowing it for a few minutes.
Tunnel vision when I hit the holly. Working on that cause my mind is on an island. Told my babies I'll be homeless, so don't stay up. Breaks my heart to see them sad, so I won't wait up. Need it all that's mine, I need it now. I lost my patience.
Yeah, they're paddling now, guys. I got the drone running. Tara's kind of stuck, but it looks like they're enjoying themselves, so that's good.
Same week I lost my smile. My baby pressed me, said I'm acting like a child. I took some L's, can lie, that really brought me down. I'm so antisocial, but I guess it's type selective. Swear I'll make a change, but for now I just can't help it. Only trusting God in these scars that I've been dealt with. I'ma do my job, time to grind, time to...
Alright guys, I'm done paddling. Now it's definitely windy. Water's gotten choppy because of that. Still pretty nice though. Pretty nice and relaxing. Definitely a good time so far. Really windy out today, guys. The rest of the crew is napping by the water. Definitely a great day to camp. It's been such an enjoyable weekend so far. Try out multiple dishes by multiple people. It's nice. And that's a late lunch for today, guys. 3 in the afternoon lunch. Looks delicious. Rosine is our chef for lunch. And what would you call this dish, Rosine?
Arroz a la cabana.
Arroz a la cabana?
Yeah.
Is that like
Spanish
Cuban?
dish. Yeah.
Thank you for the lunchy.
That's really good.
I like the grilled banana.
Like bananas, really good. It's not super sweet.
We're eating so well in this trip.
Eating so well in the woods.
We got like a full cooler there. All food. I hope it's not gonna rain, like really.
So it's a little bit of a washout. Had some really heavy thunderstorms going there for a bit. So we set up this tarp, kept the picnic table pretty much dry, which is nice. And then we moved all the tents more under the tree cover, staked them down too. But it wasn't a disaster, so it was good. Still turned out okay. And Gino's making some lomi, which is noodle soup there.
With Funyuns.
With Funyuns. Nice. So we got Korean barbecue there, courtesy of Chef Nathan. good.
Look at that melted
What is
cheese.
this?
I think
What is it? Choboki?
Pork and vegetable pad.
Tteokbokki.
Well, I didn't know that.
Tteokbokki.
Choboki.
It's basically rice cakes.
What's the name of me?
Yeah,
Guys, put kimchi on all of your plates.
Looks like mushrooms. Is that pork belly?
Pork belly.
Wow.
Breakfast. Where's Ian?
She's right there. What we got here? We got French toast with cheese dogs.
Red cheese dogs.
Yeah.
Red cheese dogs.
It's pretty good. Alright guys, I think pretty much it's packed up. Everything's out drying. We're gonna get out of here.
Camper.
Yeah, camper's out, guys. But that's pretty much it, guys. Hit that like, subscribe. Peace.